Located in a small courtyard by the tarmac at the Santa Barbara Airport is George Rhodes' Good Time Clock 4. The sculpture uses sound and motion as a form of expression.
Motion was integral. That motion was the thing. As still sculptures, they wouldn't convey anything. So motion was really the reason for them.
He carefully engineered a set of rails in which balls activate chimes and perform stunts as they travel downward with the force of gravity.
I didn't mean these to impress in the way of certain works of art, certain works of sculpture. They were simply fun.
Just as George Rhodes intended, this sculpture attracts and engages patrons from all over the world.
Okay, ready? Good job.